Hello everyone, welcome to XAMPP tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn installation of WordPress using XAMPP. So first thing, we want to just download the WordPress. So go to this link and download the WordPress. So this is the WordPress link. So we can download from here, all free. So whenever you will download the WordPress, you will get the WordPress file. So this is the latest downloaded file. So just extract this file. So I am going to install the WordPress. Just copy the WordPress folder to your path. So this is my path for my gem. So go to the htdocs and just paste there. While pasting, just start our Apache service and MySQL service. So we need the web server and database both. So I'm going to start the Apache and MySQL. Now I'm going to access the web server. Localhost 81, and now I'm going to access the my database. So this is my database. I'm creating the database name of WordPress. Create the name of database of WordPress. If you want to change the collation, then you can change it as per your requirement. So WordPress database is created. Now the WordPress folder is pasted there. So this is my WordPress. I want to install the WordPress. So just copy the just take the name of the WordPress, go to the local host, then your port number, then run the WordPress. You are running with the default port number 80, then you don't have to put the port number there. So this is my setup, United Kingdom. Then go to the next. Let's go. So my database name is WordPress. Username we have root. We don't have password here. Database localhost. And table prefix you want to give, then you can give as per your project name. So my project in WordPress, so I'm giving the WP, or per your requirement you can give that. So click on next, run the installation, give the title WordPress. My username is Chirags. I'm giving the password Chirag. Okay. Email address, search engine visibility, not doing that. Click on install WordPress. See, in database there is a tables are created. So WordPress install, with the installation of WordPress, automatically it will create the tables and it will insert the data as per WordPress configuration. So one user is created, just click on that while installing. So whatever the details I put it there. So my username is Chirag, and this is my password, and user needs next name is also Chirag. So WordPress installation is completed. Now go to click here, login. Chirags and See, welcome to WordPress. So installation is completed. So quite easy to install the WordPress, and if you want to create the post, and there is options to plugin, install plugin, add plugins, and appearance themes. There is a free themes are available there. So whatever the themes you want to, just I want to activate this theme. Just choose that to activate. Click on activate. So themes is activated. See, this is my theme, new theme. So quite easy to install the WordPress. So installation is completed, and later on videos you will see how to customize the theme and other things, users and other things. Okay, so thank you for watching.